Hi everyone, my name is Michael and welcome to the Growth Mindset channel. I think one of the hardest challenges throughout life is maintaining that internal drive to ensure that you'll meet your goals. As time goes on, it's hard to continuously remember what our purpose is and how we plan on getting there. In this video, I'll be sharing how I stay motivated, and I hope that this will keep you on the right path of your goals. Stay tuned. I think it's incredibly important to understand what your purpose is in everything you do. If you fully believe in the mission that you're doing, that will keep you constantly motivated and fuel you to the finish line. If you understand the reason why you are doing something, you will never lose sight of where you're headed. So one of my tricks to keep me motivated is constantly reminding myself where I am now and reflecting on where I would like to be in a couple of years. I know when I started out with college, it seemed like a never-ending process because of the long list of challenging courses that I had ahead of me. Now, I'm no genius and I had no secret skill set except that I understood what my end goal was, and I used this as the willpower to keep me going all the way through to the very end. Now that I've finished college, I've set new personal goals that challenge me more than anything else. So being persistent is half the battle. If you can constantly remind yourself daily of what your goals are, you are on the road to success. Tell your friends of what your goals are. They will hold you accountable and remind you of what your purpose is. I love to connect with people that have similar missions as I do. If you meet anyone that you see eye to eye with, connect with them and hold a good relationship with them. When you are starting to lose your motivation, start talking to that individual and remember where your goals were and how you really align with that individual. That's going to replenish your energy and it's gonna help them grow as well. All right guys, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching the Growth Mindset channel. I hope this video provided you with how I stay motivated. Please do me a favor by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video with one of your friends. And I will catch you all on the next one.